Again, traders, this is the follow-up regarding going short, selling natural gas. I will take profit now, my first profit taking. Natural gas went down almost 4% minus, and I'm pretty close my first take profit level here. And due to the fact that we have these numbers here, 3.77% minus, I think this could be the end right now for a couple hours, and it might go up to this level and then trending back on the lower level. But I'm greedy. I take this price action to a art form. So I want to take profit now, and I will go back into this trade on a pullback or retracement on the upside for a better profit. So I will take this 750 euros, about $800 in profit for now. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye for now.